Hello and welcome to a new video where I will show you an update I made recently to Spinomatic plugin. Now it is able to also use other premium spinners. Before it was able to use the best spinner, Word AI and ChimpRewriter. Also it had free built-in uh, uh, spinning methods. Now, however, it will also be able to use SpinnerChief, ChimpRewriter and ContentProfessor. So to use these, simply select uh, them from here. You can create a new account if you click the links that will appear. So ChimpRewriter, SpinnerChief and ContentProfessor. These also have free trial periods or fully free accounts. So if you want to use them, enter your credentials here and go ahead and spin your articles. So this is for now. The plugin got updated. It can automatically spin publish posts and also can spin from Spintex if you go to Spintex to posts. So yeah, this is the update I made. I hope you will enjoy it. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.